If you want to hide files on OnePlus 15R, what you can do is you can go to the My Files app, and then in here in the Files category, you should be able to scroll down in order to find the private safe. We can set up the private safe where we can store pretty much every file in there. And in order to use it, you have to have a privacy password. There is a chance that you already have it created if you, for example, set up the app log before, or maybe you have hidden apps and so on. If not, then we can tap set password, and then we can choose the password that you want to use to access the private safe. Besides that, we have security settings, so you can set up the recovery email, or you can go to the security question and you can set that up instead. And there we go, we have our private safe. If you want to hide something, you can choose one of these categories. So let's say I'm gonna go to images and videos. We can press this plus button at the bottom of the screen, and then we can choose whatever we want to hide. So if I choose this one, I can tap on the lock. There we go. And it should work just fine. Now I have it in the private safe. If I want to take it out of the private safe, then I should be able to find the unlock option, and you can put it back to the original location, for example. Besides that, you can of course also use the My Files app first instead of going to the private safe. So if I go to photos in here, let's say I'm gonna go here, and then I can choose the, let's say, photos, videos, files, whatever it is that you want to hide. And then we can tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner and we can choose lock. And there we go. So we can hide something in the private safe like this as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.